That's a beautiful picture at night for Grand Lisboa. I like that a lot. So yeah, that's one we're going to explore, and like that mural as well. Yeah, it looks real nice at nighttime. Give a little context for this one. We got the Wind Palace right here. We got the MGM right there. And then Macau Palace is way down there. And we got this one right here. It's interesting, kind of have like nice artwork there. Okay, we're gonna go check it out. Okay. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. This is another view of the Grand Lisboa Palace. There's an energy company right here, but we're right in front of Wind Palace as well. This is the kind of the backside of Wind Palace, and just kind of the significance of the building. You're not going to be able to get a good viewpoint of that, so I'm filming this one afterwards. So now we're going to go and catch up to my actual one. So okay, so this is the one we're going to explore now. Grand Lisboa. We're going to just kind of take a look. This is kind of over by City of Dreams, MGM, Parisian Casino, and then behind me is a Macau Palace right here. That one. And then this is the indoor skyline. This is going to be our focus, so we're going to go inside, walk around. I was here a few weeks ago, maybe a month ago now, when it first opened on the first weekend. We're going to see how much has changed from then and see... Oh, that looks kind of cool right there. I like that a lot. Yeah, it looks really cool. Okay, so let's go in and go check it all out. Okay, so we're here in the Grand Lisboa Casino, and we're kind of in this spot right here. So it looks like the game area takes up almost all of it. This looks like it hasn't quite been developed, and then up there there's a garden. And I did film it here before. We're gonna see if we can find something new. The music is pretty loud. Let's just kind of see. Let's go up. I just tried to go in the elevator and it won't. I had the same problem before. It goes up to the top floors but it doesn't go to the second or first, so you can't go to these ones, which means that I guess it's still closed. So got lots of people walking around though, so maybe we'll just do a little bit of walking around ourselves and just see what we can come up with. Looks like we had the same problem as before. There's not much. The elevators weren't really working. They weren't really bringing you places. Looks like maybe they're going to the buffet. So it looks like there's a buffet right here. So third level. And yeah, it looks like this one we can't, they're not bringing us up there or there, but I have seen some elevators that brought us up there before. Mostly gaming. Let's see here, got a nice lobby. So it looks like we're gonna have the same problems as before. Let's see. Nice. There's a casino area right there. Gift shop. Yeah, so my immediate reaction at the moment is that music is too loud. So for one, the music is gonna kill my... That's closed. Okay, can't get into that way. Yeah, we're kind of having the same issue as last time. Can't get into anything. Music is too loud. Couldn't use the elevator. It's a cloakroom. This is all kind of blocked. So it looks like they don't want people to come in or out of here. There's the gaming. That's gonna be a problem for my computer. But yeah, this one looks like this is where people will later come and go in here. Information. Yeah, it looks like this casino is basically gaming. There's a bunch of gaming. There's a buffet up on the third floor. Last time I was here, I was recommended to go to that one as well. And yeah, last time the information was closed as well. There wasn't anybody there last time either. I think I was here a few weeks ago, right at the grand opening weekend, and so kind of similar. Hello. So we'll see what we can see today. If I can get up some stairs, I will. I think last time it said coming soon right there too. Last time that was the other issue too, was yeah, the music is so loud. Let's go up this giant thing and we'll see what's going on up there. Okay, I turned off the camera. Actually, my general feeling at the moment is that this is a better casino from the outside. Outside it's amazing. That's all closed off there. Got submission of photos, okay. Looks like they're trying to figure out where to go, right? Yeah, the same issue. There's very little to actually walk around and see. There's restaurants that you could go to. It's quite wu-lao. One person eating right there. Okay. Yeah, kind of the same issue as last time. Last time I tried to go into one of these, went up to somewhere where I wasn't supposed to be at. Yeah, I wish they would do something better with this. Like, why not do like a Lisboa scene, like Portuguese stuff, you know, something kind of cool. You know, we have the Londoner with a lot of really nice Londoner stuff. We have the Venetian and the Parisian, which has Paris. You know, why not do, you know, Lisboa? I think that'd be really cool to do a Lisbon themed thing. Have like the Portuguese cable car that goes through Lisbon. Maybe some typical Lisbon stuff. So yeah, for the Grand Lisboa, it's like, I don't know, it kind of seems bare and empty to me. Like, I think I'd rather be outside walking around it than inside of it. It's my personal feeling. I think somebody did say it's only partially open at the moment, so definitely reflects that. So we're right here. This is all there is on this floor. There is a garden up there. I think that was closed at 6 o'clock last time I remember. And that's basically it. So okay, maybe we'll see if we can get outside, go downstairs, try to see something else. Might be our best course of action from at this time. Well, before I go downstairs, there's like AI digital, there's like, basically it looks like it's just basically everything is just not quite ready yet. And I guess people are just coming in to go to some of those restaurants, I guess. That's what I'm thinking is going on. But yeah, as far as walking around, yeah, I think I heard that it was going to be opening up in stages, so I was hoping that, like, that was a month ago and the last time I was here. But it looks like it's still kind of the same right now. But yeah, I think if I were to recommend something, I would say, hey, you know, put some Portuguese stuff, some Lisbon things for the Grand Lisboa. Otherwise, it's kind of hard to get to, and I'm not really sure if I see the draw becoming. It's not really well connected to the other casinos or anything like that. So I think what we're going to do next is we're just going to walk out here, see where we are, and then we'll try to navigate from here. Okay, let's see, there's nobody out here. Hello. So let's just go on out. Looks like we got mostly construction over here. Grand Lisboa Palace. Let me just see here. Hello. So it looks like still got loud music out here too. There's Grand Lisboa Palace right there. And actually, this is the backside. I'll kind of show you what's around here. There's a bunch of CEM. The airport is down that way, so the airport is directly this way. This is a landfill right here. So that's where Macau's landfill garbage goes at. And then over here is that's the prison is over there, and there's some factories. So the backside of this Lisboa is kind of facing this area with the city landfill, the prison, and energy company. And I think what we're gonna do is just, I think they're building maybe another casino over here. It looks like a lot of storage of cranes and different vehicles, boxcars. So I don't know if that's because of the casinos building something, or that's just the let me see, is there any sidewalk over there? There's a sidewalk there. Okay, so maybe we can come around and take the sidewalk right there, and you can also get an image of how beautiful this building is. The building is amazing, and I guess you can go up there, you know, walk around this way here. Okay, so now we're on the sidewalk, and I can see how grand it is. It does look pretty cool. It is a nice building. I mean, for it's a structure from the outside, it looks amazing, and I guess it's still not ready from the inside yet. So I guess we'll just have to wait and see how that goes. I will tell you a little bit of over here though. Over here there's a zip line, so people can go up and down this one, and I think that these two are somehow connected. I think this is the casino part. When we're just inside, you can see on the ground floor is almost all casino, and it looked like around the casino is basically like lobbies, you know, for when you come in, just kind of like big giant lobbies with a few, you know, you can see the ones that we saw, right? Look like, I walked around a little bit more and it looked kind of like that too. We still have this giant structure. But yeah, over here it's Lisboeta, which I think is Grand Lisboa Casino in Lisboeta, and that's indoor skydiving. We might do a separate video with that one as well, but in the process we're going to keep on walking down this one. So yeah, I think for me, I think that this would be more amazing if it was a little bit more like Venetian, Parisian, Londoner, and it focused on Lisboa, Lisbon, Portugal as a theme, and it had a bunch of themes that were centered around it. I wonder where that car's sitting right there in the road. Okay. Grand Lisboa Palace. It is a beautiful building. Yeah, it's beautiful from the outside, which is kind of, there's some zip liners right there going down. Very nice. I think I heard that was like one of the biggest indoor zip lining things going, but it's not really indoor, is it? Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking and showing, and then we'll probably do a separate video. There's Grand Lisboa again. So anyways, that's Grand Lisboa. You got like a little bit of a taste of it. If I could go over here, I will. I don't know if I can, but we'll try. And then we'll try to catch it from this sidewalk over here so you can see what it looks like. Because when you see it from, when I turn around the camera, it's kind of a construction zone there. So when you turn it around, you can see the grandness of it. That's how grand it looks. It looks quite amazing, actually. I'll just kind of give you a little bit more context for some other things. There's the MGM right over there. Some bright sunshine coming right through there. Sun is going down. It's bright. And now it goes away. That's still there's trees. Okay. There's Boeta right there. And now once you get to this side, you can kind of get a, oh, look at that. That sun really affected the exposure of the camera. I just cannot get on top of that to really get a good view of a little bit more. I don't know what they're planning to do with this. I don't know if it's just like construction storage stuff for just random casinos, or if it's specifically another casino that's going to be built in the future. Okay, this is the one we're on top of now. I guess since we're walking down and we're so close, I'll just film a little bit of this neighbor area called Lisboeta and Macau Palace, and then we'll come back. That might be our thumbnail right there, possibly. So yeah, now you get another taste for something else. Macau, definitely not fully developed at all. It's but it is open to tourists to go in and see But yeah, as I can see, as soon as I walk in, there's kind of lots of people who don't really seem to know where to go, which seems to be the case for that casino at this moment in time. Then you got this beautiful Macau Palace. So I think the combination would be a nice one together. And then, yeah, this is kind of the Grand Lisboa. So, okay, that looks real nice in here. And then that's the zip line right there too. Okay. And there's the Grand Lisboa Palace right there. So that's our focused one. You can see also the Morpheus, City of Dreams, MGM. Over there is the Parisian as well. So let's just kind of take a picture right there, and then that'll be our end of this video.
Chiquinha,